Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your PC is online and plugged in, and that you're signed into Windows with an admin or Microsoft account. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps, then Apps and Features for traditional apps. Open Microsoft Store for modern store apps. You do this because app sources differ and the path you take affects update control. Now locate the app you want, search or scroll, so you can begin updating without delays or permission hurdles. You proceed by choosing the correct update method. In Microsoft Store, open Library and click Get Updates to fetch all store app updates. For traditional installed apps, in Apps and Features select the app, choose Advanced Options, and use Check for updates if present. Otherwise, run the app's built-in updater or download the latest MSI/exe from the vendor. Make sure to restart apps after updating so files reload, and verify version numbers in About screens to confirm the update completed. You wrap up by restarting your PC and relaunching each app to ensure updates applied cleanly, then check About or Help for the new version number. If an update fails, first clear the store cache with WS Reset, sign out and back in, or uninstall and reinstall the app. For desktop apps, run the installer as administrator. If problems persist, examine Event Viewer or the app's logs for error codes, and match that code to the vendor's guidance before retrying the update.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.